My name's Andrew. I'm from Valdosta, Georgia. I'm a military veteran. I actually just recently finished my service last year in October, and so now I'm here with a fresh opportunity. When you started from scratch starting your own business, you have to have that vision and understand exactly what it is you want to do. I knew that the world was my oyster, but if I was going to be in the cleaning services industry, I needed a franchise, and I'm happy for the opportunity. Image One inherently had a great program when it comes to veterans, and I had a lot of the documents reviewed from legal professionals, and even they were kind of blown away at the opportunities that Image One provided for our veterans. I knew it was the one for me because I inherently love cleaning already, and so it all made sense for my story, I think. One of the greatest benefits that I've had from my military service are a lot of my administrative skills. It all translates. So admin types, franchising is for you. Don't be shy. Get out there and get it done. What, the military types would call like on the front lines, like getting it done, because that's what it takes. Don't think that because you're part of a franchise that it's not yours. You are still independently owned and operated. So if you're in a position where you're questioning whether this is the right opportunity for you, just take the step, get in the system, and if need be, reach out to me. Like, I have what I call the bat phone. That's for all the business and everything like that. And I will happily answer, because no one got to the place of success by themselves. No one. No one. I don't care who it is. Everyone had people around them, loving family members, whatever it might be for you. But everyone needs a helping hand at some point in time. And I'm happy to offer that for you.